Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie is warning against hosting parties during the festive season. Speaking in Parliament this afternoon, Mr. McKenzie insisted that there is still a ban on entertainment events. At the same time, he announced other changes to the Disaster Risk Management Act. Vashon Brown has details.
The local government minister says he has been receiving numerous calls and messages from people all across the island who want to know one thing. What are the plans for nightclubs and parties during the holiday season? It's why Desmond McKenzie says he wants to be very clear.
Madam Speaker, I wish to state that the ban on parties and nightclubs and other such gathering as round robin, gate parties are still in effect, Madam Speaker.
He argues that the municipal corporation and the police will not be issuing any permits for the staging of these events. Local hospitals have already started to prepare for a possible fourth wave of COVID amidst global concerns about the Omicron variant. So Mr. McKenzie says Jamaicans cannot afford to be reckless.
We are going to be working with the authorities to ensure that any breach under these regulations that ban these events, we will be out, Madam Speaker, to ensure that we get compliance.
In the meantime, there will be some changes to the Disaster Risk Management Act to facilitate the operations of markets.
The opening period for markets, Mondays to Saturdays, Madam Speaker, will now be from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we have increased the closing hours of markets.
On Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, markets will be permitted to open until midnight, an hour before the national curfew begins. The markets will, however, remain closed on Sundays and public holidays.
The opening hours of village bars and taverns have been extended to 9 p.m. as of the 10th, Madam Speaker, and that will go right through until the 13th of January. The tavern bars and village bars and the other areas under the Disaster Act, like the opening of gyms and other such entities, will remain open until midnight, New Year's Eve and Christmas Eve.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.